Hi, my name is Rachel.
And I'm Carly.
And we are the owners of Braincode Centers. We are a neurofeedback and brain mapping company with 3 locations in the Denver metro area. 1 in Highlands Ranch, 1 in the Denver Tech Center, and 1 downtown. We specialize in working with mental health issues spanning anything from anxiety, depression, ADHD, traumatic brain injury, and all sorts of other things. We absolutely love partnering and referring back and forth with other practitioners like yourself. Being able to give our clients resources that we trust within the area is so important to us. If you're interested in learning more about our company, what we do, who we work with, or what we treat, we would love to set up an initial meeting with you, virtual or in person. You can listen to the rest of this video and learn a little bit more about what we do to see how we can be a resource for you. Whether you are a doctor, therapist, pediatrician, life coach, or just someone who is interested in cutting-edge treatment options for mental health, we are so excited to give you a quick explanation of what we do. We promise this will only take about 60 seconds.
Brain mapping, or QEEG, is a non-invasive procedure used to measure the electrical activity in the brain. This allows us to see the parts of the brain that are overfunctioning and the parts of the brain that are underfunctioning. We do this by placing an electrode cap on the head and filling each of the 19 sites with a gel that allows us to pick up the brainwave activity from the skull. This brainwave activity is then recorded and measured and compared to a normative database, represented using a visual of head maps that show the locations and types of abnormal activity that may be contributing to a client's symptoms. We use this map to create a treatment plan for neurofeedback training.
The neurofeedback is the second part of the process. Just like the brain mapping process, neurofeedback is also non-invasive and painless. Neurofeedback works by using a reward-based training system to change the electrical activity of the brain. Rather than the full cap, we place individual sensors on the client's head. These sensors monitor brainwave activity and send feedback to the client about that activity. There are different ways to receive this feedback. There may be a video, sound, tactile rewards, or a combination of the 3. These are known as the stimulus. The feedback only operates when the client's brainwaves are within the optimal range. The smooth operation of the video, sound, and vibrations acts as that reward for the brain. When the brain is not firing at its optimal rate, as determined by the computer software, the client will receive less of that feedback. The movie may pause or get smaller, the sound may decrease, and the vibrations may get softer. What this does is tells the brain something is out of balance, and it encourages it to make the change so it can return back to that smooth feedback. Over the course of the training sessions, the brain learns from this feedback and creates new habits. This allows for better self-regulation of the brain, resulting in improved symptoms.